see you today. We're going to take the exam today, and before we take the exam, you get 5 extra points if you join Relovution, my new social activism mobile app. Thanks.
Alright, you guys don't say anything, okay? I'm about to hide the speaker in his desk. I'm about to get us off this test. No one snitch on me.
Got a few extra copies of the test. There you go. There you are. There you are. It's so good to see all of you. You're going to be great for the test. And remember, you get 5 extra points.
Are they different versions?
Yeah.
Are the tests different versions?
Yes.
Okay.
What the hell is that? Is that a fire alarm? There's not supposed to be a fire alarm today.
Wait, is that alarm going on?
Okay, pause the test. Let's go, everybody. I'm sorry. I had no idea about this. Let's go, you guys.
I just got the class out, guys. With a fire alarm.
Sorry about this, you guys.
Yeah, it's no clue. I made a fake fire alarm. No test today.
Let's go. Sorry about that, everybody.